Yeah, that's right, Patrick. This is the new drive-up testing site here on the city's north side. It's being operated by the Wisconsin National Guard. Just set up today without much notice, so low turnout, low volume today, but that could change dramatically in the days and weeks ahead, given the large crowds that gathered throughout much of this city over the weekend. Local health officials tell us that they are bracing for the possibility of a spike in coronavirus cases. Thousands of people fill the streets of Milwaukee, Madison, and other places, large crowds close together at a time when health officials are stressing the need for social distancing. Many of those crowds in a north side Milwaukee neighborhood among the hardest hit by COVID-19. Do you worry about the impact that might have in this community in the days ahead?
Yes, I do, because as you've seen, like you said, a lot of people wasn't taking the necessary steps.
The National Guard on Monday opened a new coronavirus testing site on Milwaukee's north side, not far from where some of those large crowds had gathered just hours earlier. Do you expect that to have any impact on the number of tests that'll be done at this location?
I think that depends on people's perception. Are they going to be more concerned? Do they think that they've had exposure? Well, that's what this site is here for.
We asked state and local health officials whether they're anticipating an increase in cases due to those large crowds.
Yes, anytime we see opportunities where people are coming together, we automatically start thinking of increased risk of exposure, increased cases, and increased need to do investigations and contact tracing. We're bracing for more, so I would say within the next 2 weeks, we'll continue to monitor to see if there's a spike in cases.
And Ken, we also heard from the mayor. He spoke about people protesting in a pandemic late this afternoon.
Yeah, he did. That social distancing nightmare, something I know he's been concerned about. We had the opportunity to ask him about it this afternoon. Here's what he had to say.
If you're going to be out there, wear a mask. Wear a mask. Whether I agree with you, whether you're doing it for your own sake and for the sake of everybody else, you should be wearing a mask. And secondly, and equally important, if you feel that you have the symptoms of COVID-19, go get tested for yourself and so that you don't spread the disease.
Yeah, the mayor making it clear today, Patrick, that this virus has not gone away.